So welcome again. This is our lesson seven, and we have an example. An example. First, we'll start with an example for cost model, and then we'll do a regulation model in lesson A. So, if I go to my question, on 1st July, it's the same question which we'll be doing, which has A and B. So, on 1st July 2025, a public entity, Kenya Medical Supplies Authority, KEMSA, purchases two identical warehouse building, warehouse A and warehouse B. So we'll concentrate on warehouse A. So both warehouses have the same estimated useful life and the same value, 50 million and 25 years respectively. So, and they use the straight line method. So on 1st July, at the end of year one or at the beginning of year two, when the value assesses the value of warehouse B, 10 shillings, 2 million, it's 2 million. So required, calculate the carrying amount for both warehouse A and warehouse B as of 30th June 2027. So what we will start with is we will start with warehouse A since we are dealing with cost model. So we'll start with warehouse A. So for cost model, this is the cost model. Cost model. So this is the cost model. Warehouse A, warehouse A, warehouse, warehouse A has a cost of how much? 50 million. Useful life of warehouse A, useful life of useful life is 25. So depreciation for year one is how much? Is equal to, you say 50, you divide by 25, that will give you 2 million. So NBV of year one, or carrying amount of year one, is equal to 50 minus 2 million. That will give you 48 million. So since it is cost model, let us continue. For year two, there is no change since it is cost model and the revalued amount won't affect. So NBV for year two is equal to, since it is also a straight line, we will just pick the 50 million uh, minus 2 million minus 2 million. This is year one, and this is year two. So 2 million minus 2 million. So 2 million minus 2 million. Alternatively, someone can say that is 46 million. So the NBV is 46 million. So alternatively, someone can say the NBV for the previous year was 48 and the depreciation for this current year is 2 million. So still the same result. So NBV year 2, NBV year 1. So NBV year 2 and NBV year 1. It's as simple as that. The cost model, you just continue with the depreciation. If there was impairment charges, then or impairment cost, then you could have used that. You could have subtracted from this. Thank you for listening, and let us meet on lesson 8 for revaluation model or current operational model.